If you're looking to make some positive change in the new year, the brain, it turns out, is the biggest part of sticking with it. By now, a lot of people have given up on resolutions like losing weight.
Dr. Frenchelle Hamilton is a bariatric surgeon who says there's a spot in our brains that remind us of the times we've failed, and it sort of shuts down motivation. Here's how to work around it.
Your brain is the ultimate CEO of your weight loss journey, and it has been shown to be potentially more powerful for sustainable health, more so than medications and even surgery. So be nice to your brain. So one of the first things to do is don't commit to a very restrictive or a deprivation diet. Don't cut your calories to 1,000. Don't decide to completely give up sugar, because the way the brain sees it, it's like a sinking ship and it's trying to figure out how to pull the ship out of the water, so to speak. It turns on that thrifty gene that's like, oh, I need a store because I've lost an energy source. This is what the brain is saying. And it also triggers your cortisol to release stress because it feels very stressed, and then it slows down your metabolism. So the brain does all these things to kind of prevent you from continuing that diet, which is why most people can't continue it.
It sounds like our brains sort of have a kill switch.
So essentially, there's an area in the brain called the habenula. And this area gets activated anytime we've had an adverse event occur in our life. A lot of times people are like, oh, I'm going to start a gym membership. And so if you've tried to start a gym membership every January for the past 3 years, your brain remembers that. And when you go back to the gym, that area in the brain is activated, that non-rewarding, the opposite of rewarding pathway, and it's not going to let you continue that behavior. So what you need to do is use curiosity and figure out something else to do. If exercise is your goal, think about hiking, think about dancing, think about something else besides physically going into a gym. Just kind of make that small adjustment.
Ultimately, repeating what you've already tried and failed at will only remind you of those failures. One more suggestion on the workout: if 30 minutes all at once seems daunting, break it up, maybe 10 minutes at a time.